F-15 RS assembly tips. Alright, first turn the bike upside down and put the front wheel in so it sits right in where my finger is into the dropout. Then place the shaft that comes in a little box right here where my hand is. That goes in and out. You just press it in there, put the plastic nut on, tighten it up, you're good to go. Your disc sits right into the caliper, right in there. And then you'll also put the fender on while it's upside down. That's for sure. You might be able to when it's right side up. But see here, here's where you have the nut, a spacer, and the bolt goes straight through with the light clamp on. That's how that should be. Okay, then you want to tighten. Well, you'll place the handlebars in about in that position. It'll slide in. Tighten up the center bolt right here, and then once you get it straight, then you're going to tighten the side bolts, this one and the one on the other side, and then that will clamp this good and tight to the fork, top of the fork. Then this lever here, there's also a little set screw. That's so that you can adjust this lever so it goes and makes a click. Could be a little tighter on this one. And that's about it. Have to make the video short because it's too long to send. Otherwise, I'll do another video on the red button here and the monitor display.